Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this super rich healthy recipe that's going to be green papaya. So I made a meal last night and this was it. It has pearl barley and we have black eyed pea curry. I will share the link for the black eyed pea curry in the video description, which you can later see. So today's recipe is all about this green papaya. Here I've taken one whole green papaya. It's a raw papaya, not the ripened one. Peel it and cut it into pieces like this. I'm taking half of small onion here, so you have to finely chop it like this. Then we have 2 garlic cloves, thumb size ginger. We will finely chop it, and green chilies are optional. If you want a little spice, you can add green chilies. I'm going to make this in coconut oil, so I have taken 1 tablespoon coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, and here I made finely chopped the papayas using a food chopper. So this is Ninja brand food chopper that I'm using here. It's very fast, less than 1 minute we have the the veggies nicely chopped. So once the mustard seed crackle, we will add onion here. The half onion that we finely chopped, we can add it here. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's slightly turned brown, add the ginger, green chilies and the garlic. Next we add the chopped green papaya. I've added 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons of cumin seed here, and salt per taste. Now give it a good mix. So we have cumin seeds, that's 2 teaspoons. Give it a good stir. Close the lid so the papayas are nicely cooked. I'm cooking this in medium-low heat. So after 5 minutes, here you can see how nicely it's cooked. Make sure you don't burn it. So 5 minutes is more than enough to cook this. It cooks very faster. Now garnish it with cilantro and it's ready to be served hot. Very easy, less than 15-minute recipe that you can make in no time, And we paired this with pearl barley. That's what my husband liked to have. Instead of rice or wheat, he enjoys millets, and pearl barley is one of his favorite. That's what I made for dinner last night, and this is the side that we made, green papaya recipe. It's full of flavor, very tasty, and the meal is prepared. And for the recipe for black eyed pea curry, I will share the link in the video description, so you can go and watch that. See you there.